Hi and welcome to camp. Today we're going to do a fly around the 130-year-old Morten Bay Fig, but first we'll have a look at these two girls. This is number 14 and her heifer calf, 2 years old, 02, who's heavily pregnant, tell by her udders, and she's starting to hold the tail sideways. She's about to give birth to a calf. So let's go and have a look at the fig tree. This is one of the features of the property. It's in our front yard. You drive past it as you drive up to the house. The actual base is enormous. It's probably 8 foot across at the thinnest part, and the roots extend out some 3 to 4 metres. So I just do a full circle of the tree here. And then we back out from the tree about this point here, and I actually crashed the drone, so I left that footage in. It's a bit of a funny moment. Thanks for coming along. The drone crashes right at the end of the video. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.